Welcome to our beginner English class. We invite you to come and learn with us.
Oh man, not again. This place looks like a movie set for a ghost film.
Wait, look at Mr. Henderson. Oh no, Tom, he's fallen.
My knee hurts so much.
Should we go? It's kind of creepy.
Listen, children. Character is what you do when no one is looking.
My dear children, he lives alone, is very lonely, and faces many difficulties.
Then let's go and help him.
Let's be polite and speak clearly.
Hello, sir. Let me help you with that.
Thank you, kid. My back isn't as good as it used to be.
You're welcome. Wow, is that you in your pilot uniform?
Yes, that was me 50 years ago. I flew planes across the ocean.
Impossible! That's amazing!
Mr. Henderson, we've brought some soup and fresh bread, and we hope you'll enjoy your meal.
This light is too dim. I'll help you replace it with a brighter one.
Where should I put these books, sir? Let me put them away for you.
Help me put them on that shelf.
Mr. Henderson, you have so many interesting stories from the old days, don't you?
Stories become boring if there's no one to tell them to.
We're listening.
Okay, let me tell you.
Tell us about your favorite flight, sir.
The feeling of a clear blue sky.
Does the airplane look like this?
Technology these days is like magic.
Oh, there's so little food. Mom, he has no milk or eggs.
We'll go to the supermarket later.
I think you need these glasses, sir. I'm giving them to you as a gift.
That's great. I can read much more clearly now. Thank you.
Just call us if you need anything, anytime.
Thank you so much, children.
Mom and Dad are right. He's really lonely.
When we have time, we'll go visit him again.
When we get home, I'll run to my room first. Me first.
Okay, kids, now you can rest. We have work to do tomorrow.
Yesterday was eye-opening and time. Our neighbor, Mr. Henderson, is a legend. It was just a small act of kindness, but it brought such a happy smile.
Everyone needs to be ready by 9 o'clock, and everyone is waiting for us. Okay, son, let's go.
Stay warm, sir.
God bless you, kid.
And they lived happily ever after.
Sir, the soup is hot. Please eat carefully.
Thank you.
Repairing things saves money and helps people out in some way.
What are you doing here, Tom?
Giving back to the community. Want to join?
Sure. Why not?
This place is so clean. It looks like it's been renovated.
Thank you for making our park cleaner and nicer.
It's just a small thing. Look, Tom. Everyone wants to help too. Check out the comments. Helping others is truly a happy experience, Mom and Dad. Especially when they smile.
I've been so proud of you all these past few days, and I hope you'll continue to help those in need in the future.
We often overlook what is right in front of us. Loneliness is a silent struggle.
But even a small action can change an entire day.
You don't need a cape to be a hero. You just need to act.
So when you see someone in trouble, stop and help them.
What matters isn't the number of likes, but the lives we impact. Go out and make a difference. See you later.
Always be kind.